Hi guys, we have here the KONA French press coffee and tea makers. Want to give you a quick look at this product, quick 360 view unboxing of the product. So let's go ahead and open this up and give you guys a quick look at what you'll receive. So it does come nicely sealed in the box, nicely packaged. So you got to open that up quickly. You open it up here, give you guys see here, comes nicely sealed in the plastic. Go ahead and remove this out of its box, as you can see here. For those who are wondering, you can purchase this online. You can visit the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and unwrap this, give you guys a quick look at the product here. So it comes nicely wrapped, make sure it doesn't break in transit, and there you have it, the KONA coffee or tea maker. As you can see here, great quality product. Open that up. Great, nice looking handle. So if you're looking at purchase any other cookware items, please visit the link in the description below. Here's a quick 360 view of this coffee or tea maker. For those who are interested, we do have them available. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.